Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Stephanie, in case you guys haven't been here before. Today we're going to be doing this very fun look with the MORPHE 24A Artist Pass palette. I don't think I've used her more than once on this channel.
Oh, the deception!
Which is tragic because this is like a favorite palette of mine. Oh my god, I think I have a star falling in my eye. Something was in my eye, I'm not kidding. I bought it specifically for colors like this and I haven't used it and I feel so bad and like, you know, I can't sleep, so I decided, you know, just get it over with, do the makeup that you want to do. Yeah, I guess without further ado, I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm gonna try to remember that this is the look that I want to recreate after quarantine ends and after everything is a little back to normal and I can wear makeup again. Make sure that you guys are subscribed to the channel and make sure that you have hit the bell so that you are notified of each and every single video that I upload, and make sure that you give me a thumbs up so that I know that you like this video. Guys, I love you all, stay safe, and let's just get into this video. I haven't done like a blue look on my channel and that's kind of what I'm going for. We're gonna be playing with color. Okay, so I'm gonna start with my eyes. Let me get a blender, no blender. But the best thing about coming alone is that you have complete confidence. My boyfriend is here, for example. Like all the videos I've done are like silent films basically because I cannot for the life of me get comfortable with him. I just feel like he judges and he doesn't. Like he's like very encouraging, quite the opposite actually.
You can do it!
Like he even gives me pointers like say this for your intro and say that for your outro. But yep, public speaking is not my forte. Even calling like on the phone, speaking to customer service on the phone for anything, if I have a problem, I don't think I've ever returned an item or called to complain about anything ever because I just don't like it. I would rather die than talk on the phone. So we're gonna go in with this beautiful yellow shade. It's called Under the Sun. We're gonna tap out the excess and slowly work this through the crease. And this is a ColourPop crease brush. Like I was saying, he's very encouraging, very kind to me in this aspect. The only moment he's not kind about my speaking is when he's like editing a video and he's like, you did not say half of what you were supposed to say. Just grab more if you need it. I really want this look to be bold and in your face, so I definitely do need it. We're gonna bring this a little out past the brow. And again, gonna do that with the other eye. A little above the crease, past the brow. Okay, so I'm seeing that my lights don't agree with the color yellow. Because the more opaque this is, the more purple that this turns. So I'm gonna grab a little bit of the green, and it's gonna be Green Room. And a little pro tip, if you mix this in, like if you don't like how bright this green is, add a little black to your waterline. For example, I put it underneath my lash line, on my lower lash. I mixed it a little bit with black liner. And we're just putting this right below the crease, the original yellow. We're extending it also as well. I'm gonna grab Brighter Sky, which is the blue, and just start making an outer V. Nope, this one. And we're just putting this on the outer corner. And with the same brush, the little bullet brush that we used to put the green in, we're gonna blend the green and the blue together and even feather it out a little bit. And we're just gonna leave it like that. We're gonna leave this space right here blank. For the next step, we're gonna do basically the exact same thing. Grab the blue, Brighter Sky, little synthetic brush where you can just lay it initially and then work on blending it out later. And we definitely want an outer V. I like a V. It's okay if it doesn't look good. We're gonna clean this up. Go back in with the brush and blend the two colors together. Yeah, I'm really trying to like overcompensate by doing the most with everything else. Okay, and then we're gonna go with makeup wipe so we can clean. So far so good. Everything is good minus the light. And then, fun part, we're gonna cut the crease. So we're gonna grab a little bit more P. Louise. I'm gonna put this on the back of our hand and just go in with a little brush. And then go on the other one. This one came out so good. I have never done it that it looks this good. I think I just found the brush that, you know, this is definitely gonna up my makeup cutting crease game. With our freshly cut crease, I want to add a little bit of, I'm not sure if I want to add Private Oasis, which is this white reflection with like green, but also there's pink in here, or if I want to grab the one with all the little stars, but I don't know how to swatch it without all the little stars coming out. Yeah, you see, they all want to come out. This one, I think this one's gonna be the one. Yeah, this one's gonna be the one. I'm gonna wipe these off and then I'm gonna go in with Spotlight Stealer, which is the one with the stars, with my finger. Where's my mirror? I had a mirror. Oh, here you are. Let me just grab the stars. They can just apply themselves as they go. But it kind of looks like it was intentional, so I'm just gonna leave them. I mean, all I'm saying is if they want to be here, they can. I'm not telling them not to be. Whoosh. Now let me put some in the inner corner. Oh, Jesus Christ. When all of this is over and I can go out and I can like fully wear makeup because I can go out. I just can't wear makeup because half my face is covered. I'm gonna be whipping out all these looks. This one has like 5 stars and this one has like 3. So now I feel like I have to add a little bit more over here. Stars. I am very much in love with this look. Let me just blend a little bit more of the blue, a little bit over here. This is so beautiful. This is like the prettiest look I think I've done. I think. I'm like 2 seconds from messing it up. These are really nice. These are the glitters. Like the glitter counterparts to the actual mattes that I just used. Like my inspiration is like, we're like, let's do more, let's do more, let's do more. Okay, so we're gonna put on false lashes because I hate that I always leave it until the end. It's always like a pain for me. We're gonna look very weird with our false lashes and like nothing else on our face because I don't think we're used to seeing me like that. This is a forewarning. This may scare some of you. And we're using our dual lash glue. And these are our Eyelures. You already know. These are the babies. I'm just gonna let them sit and dry for a bit. In the meantime, we're gonna put mascara on our eyes, and we're using the brand new Huda Beauty mascara. I'm gonna be using the curling length side. No, I'm not. I'm gonna be using the volume side. This side. It's a great mascara, but it doesn't give me that ba-ba boom that it's apparently giving like everybody that's like making their lashes like 80 times bigger. Like they're making my lashes bigger, don't get me wrong. It's a great mascara, but it's not making them like photoshopped. A star fell off and it's on my mascara. She's flying, she's in there, I got her. Also, another thing that happens a lot to me with this mascara is I get it on my lash, like on my actual eyelids. But it's a great mascara, all in all. So are the stars meant to go like after? How do the girls that do the rhinestones and stuff on their eyes do it? Like, do the rhinestones not come off? And then I'm gonna go in with the curling length side. Do they look bigger? Like, they look, I know they look normal. I know it. And now we're just gonna apply the lashes. All that from this mascara. We're gonna go in with the original little brush that we used for the green, and then we switched to the blue. It's a little bullet brush, you know, it looks like this. Gonna wipe off on a dry tissue, maybe the excess blue. Gonna dip it back into the green. Tap off the excess. Run that. She's bold, she's back, she's beautiful. Okay, so now I'm gonna use the same little brush I used to wipe off this, but I cleaned this clearly, as you can see. We're gonna put it in the blue, dip it, run that shit. You see, you thought you were gonna ruin my day. You thought wrong. And then we're gonna mascara this with the curling length side. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this time with me, but I hope that in these times this was a good video. It was distracting. I hope that you had fun with me. I hope that you laughed with me. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Again, don't leave without subscribing. Don't leave without hitting the bell so that I know you like these videos, and don't leave without giving this video a thumbs up. They all help. I will catch you guys in the next video. Why am I so neon? I was like, the mic is still working. Are you still working? Oh, I just powdered my eye. Do the stars go on? Oh no, not on my pants.